On January 23, 2016, a brawl erupted outside of a bar in downtown Aurora, near the casino. Many people were involved in this brawl, and unfortunately, one person was killed and another was severely injured by a stabbing as a result of this melee. When something like this happens, the obvious question is, who is liable for the damages I suffered due to the injuries that occurred? And one of the obvious parties that you look to is the bar where the people were consuming alcohol prior to the incident. When you pursue a case against a bar, one of the causes of action that you're going to be looking at, particularly if it involves an allegation of overserving, is under the Dram Shop Act. The Dram Shop Act is a statute in Illinois that specifically is geared toward a bar overserving one of its patrons. There are 4 things you typically have to show in order to prove up a Dram Shop Act case. The first is that the bar actually sold alcohol to the patron that committed the injury. The second thing is that you actually suffered an injury. The third thing is very important. This is that there was a proximate cause between the sale of the alcohol and the person becoming intoxicated. And why this is important is that if a person simply goes to a bar and has 1 or 2 drinks and then goes home and consumes many more and commits an injury, that is typically not going to be something that the bar is liable for. You have to show that the bar actually overserved the patron. The fourth thing you need to show is that the intoxication was a cause of the injury. And what that means is if a person is intoxicated and, for example, is drinking and driving, if they cause an accident and an injury, and it can be shown that they were intoxicated but that they were also on their cell phone at the time, the fact that they're on their cell phone is not going to prohibit you from bringing a Dram Shop Act case. You only need to show that the intoxication was a cause, not the predominant cause or the only cause. As with any case, it's very important that you contact a personal injury attorney that's knowledgeable about laws regarding Dram Shop Act cases and knows exactly who they need to interview, what facts they need, and what they ultimately need to put together in order to have a well-pled complaint that will potentially prove up your Dram Shop Act case.